Hey guys, so I just got done creating my ePortfolio through Wix, and I'm gonna take you through it and what I did and how I set it up. So my name is Chris. I am studying mathematics education at USF, and I want to become a teacher and eventually become a high school principal or like on the board of directors for education, like monitoring the lesson plans and whatnot for schools. So this is my homepage, just very clean, very simple is what I wanted to keep it as for uh, just my whole presentation. Really, I feel like clean and simple, straight to the point is exactly what people are looking for. So I put a little technology in the background just to keep things modern. Obviously, Chris Tala, and then over here I have my email for contact, and then my name and what I'm studying. So if I click on my about page, it takes you down here. So my background, I'm a 23-year-old student at the USF, and what I'm studying, my aspirations and my passions right here for becoming a teacher. Scroll back up just to show you that all of them work. My education experience. My education, I graduated high school right here, 2010 to 2014, and then my community college education is along with my USF, and then my work experience is right over here for future job references. Go back up, I'll show you a work example that I created. So nice little heading here. There's a basic outline for what I created for like a geometry class in middle school, maybe even early high school. Very clearly laid out the title of the unit, my goals for the students, and the standards I'm going to be expecting from my students and what I expect them to learn out of the lesson. And then scrolling back up, I go to my blog link right here, and then just a link to my blog where I will have everything, all of my work published, and more about me, and nice little picture here to keep things modern, and then a nice little button right here to bring you back up to the top of the page. I felt like this website was very easy to use, very straightforward. I didn't have any issues with it whatsoever. I really liked how it kept things very clean and simple. The contrast I feel is very easy to read, very easy in the eyes, and I would recommend using this to somebody else in the future if they're trying to create an e-portfolio for themselves.